Wondering how to excel in your academic major and navigate college with confidence? Whether you're already on the path or just considering it, navigating college can feel challenging. To help you in this journey, in this video series, I'm sharing insider tips and heartfelt advice from my perspective as a professor with over 10 years of experience, from students who walked this journey, and from researchers who have investigated best learning and studying methods. Discover how you can not only survive, but truly thrive in your engineering major. Let's go on this journey together and set you up for success right from the start. I said engineering major, but believe me, if your major is not engineering, you're still going to benefit from the videos, as many tips I share are applicable to any college major, both in undergraduate and graduate level. Hi, I'm Dr. Iman. Welcome to MechCADemy. You might have seen other videos on YouTube about student success strategies, but what makes this one different is the perspective I bring as a professor. With over a decade of teaching experience in US universities, I've gained insights from both sides of the classroom. Now, I'm an associate professor of mechanical engineering at Northern Illinois University. Before that, I was a clinical assistant professor at Washington State University. My expertise includes design and manufacturing, CAD, CAE, and computational material science. In our Department of Mechanical Engineering, we place a strong emphasis on supporting and mentoring undergraduate students. I'm proud to say that majority of our students successfully find jobs related to their field of study. For this video, I didn't want to rely only on my own perspective. In the spring and fall 2024, in a survey, I asked my senior students this question: what advice would you give to students who are just starting their journey in mechanical engineering? Their answers were truly eye-opening, packed with ideas that aren't just backed by research, but have also worked well in real life. You might be wondering how many students responded. The answer is around 130. So we have a reliable amount of data. Even though these tips come from mechanical engineering students, they can apply to any engineering field, and in many cases, any college major. A quick note for my colleagues. I believe these videos aren't just for students. They are also for university professors, academic advisors, and educators who want deeper insight into supporting their students' education. As a faculty, we often focus on delivering course content, but the student success is about more than just lectures and assignments. It's about mentorship, fostering resilience, encouraging professional growth, and helping students develop effective study habits. Throughout this series, I discuss practical ways to improve student engagement, encourage active learning, and guide the students towards meaningful industry experience. I also touch on the importance of office hours, forming connections with the students, and providing them with the right academic and emotional support. I respectfully invite you to listen to these videos and keep the conversation going so we can continue learning from each other and better empower our students. Before we dive in, I have a small request that makes a big impact. If you find value in these videos, please hit the like button. It helps more students discover these insights, as YouTube suggests these videos more frequently and to a larger population. Share it with your friends and classmates so they can benefit too. And if you want to stay ahead with more expert advice on academic success, engineering, and beyond, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Together, we can build a community where students thrive, learn, and achieve their goals. This video series is structured into 9 sections, covering different aspects of academic life. While some sections focus more on engineering, the shared insights throughout the series are valuable for students in any college major. Here are the sections. Section 1, Mastering Fundamental Concepts. Section 2, Class Assignments and Time Management. Section 3, Attending Classes Regularly. Section 4, Engage with your professors. Section 5, Forming study groups. Section 6, Developing Professional Habits. Section 7, Gaining Practical Experience in Industry. Section 8, Staying Mentally Resilient. And final section, exams essentials. You'll notice we cover a broad range of topics and techniques, but there is always more depths to explore. My hope is that these videos act as a catalyst, a spark that inspires you to dig deeper, ask more questions, and continue learning long after this series ends. Whether you're a student seeking fresh ideas or a fellow educator looking to refine your teaching methods, let these videos encourage curiosity, collaboration, and growth. So, without further ado, let's dive in.